So now we are going to use what we have learnt to fill in these sentences. Composez votre petit déjeuner préféré. Je prends dash thé. So you know the expression for thé is du thé dash toast. This is in the plural form, des toast. Confiture, it is de la confiture. A dash yacht, it is un. The next sentence, je bois dash cappuccino. So this you can count. So un cappuccino ou dash café du lait. So un café du lait. So we have already seen the expressions for most of these words. A dash jus de fruits. So again it is un jus de fruits. And finally the last sentence, je mange dash fruits, des fruits, because it is in the plural. Fromage, du fromage, dash croissant. So this you can count. So un croissant ou dash œuf au bacon. So now this is also in the plural form. So they. So what we did here is composez votre petit déjeuner, breakfast préféré. Je prends for thé, the expression is du thé. For toast, des toast, de la confiture, et un yacht. So these are the expressions we have already seen. Je bois un cappuccino ou un café du lait et un jus de fruits. So these we write un here because it is countable. A cappuccino, a coffee with milk and a fruit juice. Je mange des fruits, this is plural, so des, du fromage, some cheese, un croissant, one croissant, ou des œufs. So this is plural, so they. So now you know how to order your breakfast, and if anyone asks you what you had for breakfast or lunch or what did you drink, you know how to answer. So you know these expressions, all you have to do is form the sentence.